Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from CUBOT Note 50 to an Android device. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Then tap on the same options in both apps. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm. Continue. And allow. In this window about new updates, you can click on Not Now or close it right away by hitting OK. Then tap on your device's display and select Send at the bottom left corner of CUBOT. Then Receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on CUBOT, using all of those categories at the top, you can select all of your files that you wish to send. I will go with only a couple, just for example. When you're ready, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom and click on Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up. Finally, it's time to pick one of those connection ways. To connect by inputting this key, click on Input Key section, type in all of those numbers in correct order, and then hit Receive button. If you want to scan this QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close a node. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point your device's camera at the code. Then wait. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!